Hi, and welcome back to Skrach. Today, we're going to make honey sriracha chicken. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, a cup of panko breadcrumbs, a quarter cup of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of honey, a tablespoon of sriracha sauce, 3 tablespoons of butter, 2 teaspoons of sugar, a teaspoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of paprika, a half teaspoon of onion powder, a half teaspoon of garlic powder, a quarter teaspoon of salt, and a quarter teaspoon of pepper. We'll start by preheating our oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. While our oven's preheating, we'll melt our 3 tablespoons of butter on the stovetop or in the microwave in quick 20-second bursts. After melting our butter, we'll stir in 2 teaspoons of sugar, a teaspoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of paprika, a half teaspoon of onion powder, a half teaspoon of garlic powder, our quarter teaspoon of salt, and our quarter teaspoon of pepper until well combined. Then we'll mix in our cup of panko breadcrumbs and let them soak in our butter mixture while we prepare our chicken. We'll place our chicken breasts on a silicone-lined baking sheet and brush them with our quarter cup of sour cream. Then, we'll press our breadcrumb mixture onto our chicken breasts. Then we'll bake them at 425 degrees Fahrenheit until they reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, about 35 minutes. While our chicken is baking, we'll mix our tablespoon of sriracha sauce into our 2 tablespoons of honey until well combined. Once cooked, we'll remove our chicken from the oven and drizzle it with our honey sriracha sauce before serving. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.